Let 1 plus summation r is equal to 1 to 10, 3 power r into 10 cr plus r times 10 cr is equal to 2 power 10 into alpha times 4 power 5 plus beta. Alpha and beta are natural numbers. And we are given f of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 minus k square. Alpha and beta lie between the roots of f of x is equal to 0. Find the smallest positive integral value of k. So basically the question is to be looked into two parts. The first part is finding out the value of alpha and beta. Second part is using the value of alpha and beta lies between the roots of f of x is equal to 0. So let's look at the first part. Take 1 plus sigma r is equal to 1 to 10, 3 power r into 10 cr. We'll split the summation into two parts. R is equal to 1 to 10 r times 10 cr. Now we will group this portion separately and find out. Then take this portion and separately and find out, and then compare it with this and get the value of alpha and beta. First, let us look at the first expression. It is 1 plus, let's expand it, put r is equal to 1. You get a 10c1 into 3 plus 10c2 into 3 square plus etc. etc. 10c10 into 3 power 10. We can replace this 1 as 10c0 plus 10c1 into 3 plus 10c2 into 3 square and so on. The last term is 10c10 3 power 10. This looks like 10c0 plus 10c1 into x plus 10c2 into x square etc. 10c10 x power 10, which is 1 plus x whole power 10. But in the place of x we have a 3, so it becomes 1 plus 3 whole power 10, which is equal to 4 power 10. The one with the summation of the first term together will give us 4 power 10. Now let's take the second term. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 10 r into 10 cr. The problem with this is when you replace r is equal to 1, 2, 3, the coefficient also keeps changing. So basically we need to get rid of this r. So we will replace 10 cr as r into 10 factorial by 10 minus r the whole factorial into r factorial. Cancel one r in the numerator and denominator. We get sigma r is equal to 1 to 10, 10 factorial by 10 minus r the whole factorial into r minus 1 factorial. When you add up these two terms, you get a 9 factorial. So if you want to express this in a NCR form, you need a 9 factorial on top. So we are going to take this 10 factorial as 10 into 9 factorial. So let me pull out the 10 and write this as sigma r is equal to 1 to 10, 9 factorial divided by 10 minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial, which is nothing but 10 times sigma r is equal to 1 to 10, 9c r minus 1. Now let us see what is this term equivalent to. 10 into sigma r is equal to 1 to 10, 9c r minus 1. If I replace r is equal to 1, so it becomes 9c0 plus 9c1, and the last term is going to be 9c9, and we very well know this is equal to 10 into 2 to the power of 9. Now we have a left hand side. The left hand side has been summed up. The first term is 4 power 10. The first term is 4 power 10 plus the second term is 10 into 2 to the power of 9. We have been given the right hand side as 2 power 10 into alpha times 4 power 5 plus beta. So now let us write the left hand side as, I can look at this 4 power 10 as a 4 power 5 into 4 power 5. 1 4 power 5 is 2 power 10. So pull out that. You are left inside as 1 4 power 5. And I can look at this 10 as 5 into 2 and group 1, 2 with this 2 power 9 and pull it out as 2 power 10. So we have a plus 5 is equal to 2 power 10 into alpha times 4 power 5 plus beta. So when we compare, we get alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 5. Now let's go to the second part of the question. We are given f of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 minus k square. This is f of x. Alpha comma beta lie between the roots of this. So let us find the roots of this. We can easily write this as x minus 1 the whole square minus k square, equate it to 0. We get x minus 1 the whole square is equal to k square. That gives us x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus k, and that tells us x is equal to plus or minus k plus 1. So one root is k plus 1, one root is minus k plus 1. Now you can see that this is an upward open parabola with roots as we are being given k is positive. So the lower root is minus k plus 1. The larger root is k plus 1. They want alpha and beta to lie between the two roots. Okay, that means the lower root should be less than 1. Understood? If the smaller of the two roots is less than 1, then the graph will cut the x-axis at a point which is less than 1. So I have to make for this is how the diagram is going to be. So we understand minus k plus 1 should be less than 1. That means minus k is less than 0. Multiply by a negative sign, you get k greater than 0. If k is greater than 0, one root is less than 1. Similarly, you have to make the other root more than 5. That means the larger root, namely k plus 1. K is positive, so k plus 1 is larger than minus k plus 1. K plus 1 has to be greater than 5. That means k needs to be greater than 4. So k has to be greater than 0. K needs to be greater than 4. But the question says what is the smallest positive integer value for k? So combining these two conditions, we get k needs to be greater than 4. That means when k is greater than 4, this quadratic equation will have 1 comma 5 lying between the two roots of the equation. But they have asked smallest positive integer value of k. So integer value of k is greater than 4. So smallest positive integer value of k is equal to 5.